Okay, all of these problems, excuse me, are require law of cosines with the given information in the form side, angle, side, two sides and an included angle. You are able to solve these first two without a calculator because you can find the cosine of these angles without a calculator. 30, 60, 90 right triangle shows you that the cosine of 60 is 1/2, and a 45, 45 right triangle and the unit circle, because 135 is over here. And a 45, 45, we've got the legs are equal, and the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. So the cosine of 135 is negative radical 2 over 2. And here's what solving that first one would look like using the law of cosines. C is the missing side opposite the Greek letter gamma. But over here, we have a diagram for this last problem. And you're supposed to solve the triangle, which means find all the missing parts. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is use the law of cosines to find C, the side opposite the included angle. And that will equal the square root of one of the sides squared plus the other side squared minus 2 times the 15.3 times 11.2 times the cosine of 116.4. That's going to require a calculator. And it looks like you get 22.6 approximately for the length of this side. Once you have the side opposite, you can use the law of sines to find one of the other angles. I chose to do it, excuse me, the sine of angle A is to its opposite side, 15.3, as the sine of 116.4 is to its opposite side, which is 22.6. And the calculator tells you that this is a 26.32 degree angle. And once you know that angle, you can find the third angle, because the three angles of a triangle add up to 180. So 180 subtract the sum of these two up here shows you that angle B is 37.27 degrees. Okay, there you go. You can follow the same pattern for the other two. This one right here will be a little more complicated because you got some bigger numbers to square and multiply, but you can do it without a calculator, getting an exact value because you're going to have the square root of 2 in the answer. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.